Hello everyone, welcome back to Alexos of OTRAC. Today with us we have one such team who are very well known for their virtue of maintaining international relations. From conducting ICYs, IDYs and youth exchange programs, they maintain it all. So that is Team International Service. So hi guys. Could you all please introduce yourselves?
Hi, I am Anoki.
I am Protractor Arya Shah.
I am Protractor Heath Sardara.
Hi guys, I'm Protractor Khyati Tanna.
Hi everybody, I hope you're doing great. So my first question to you all is that the wave of pandemic when it was hitting us, we were not aware about everything going online and everything. So how was your experience this year being in international services avenue, and how has your year been? Anoki?
Okay, so when I I'll talk a little bit about my council experience too. So when I joined council, I had no idea कि मैं आके क्या करने वाली हूँ. Like थोड़ा डरी हुई थी, but then I got amazing team members like Khyati, Heath, and Arya. Arya would always when I was not able to speak through the video chats, Arya was the one who would see my chats and tell everyone कि अनोखी ने ये बोला है. Then it was amazing experience actually. This year I was the ambassador of I am the ambassador of Rhodesia. I hosted the district conference, so बहुत ही amazing experience रहा है अभी तक तो. And because of this hard work, now I am selected as district joint secretary for the next year, so I'm very happy. Thank you.
So obviously I wasn't ready for this year's council also. I was pushed for it. And I'm happy that I was pushed because of course I got a good team. I was so happy कि मेरे को first call पे पता चला मेरे साथ ख्याति. I was so nervous कि I'm like not a social person. I've got social anxiety also. But ख्याति ने मेरे को सब जगह संभाला. हर चीज उसने इतना tolerate किया है मेरे को. And of course I'm the sleepy one. मैं हमेशा सोती रहती हूँ, पूरी रात जागती भी हूँ, but सोती भी रहती हूँ. And what has been for me this year is like, oh my god, इतना सारा बात, इतना सारा conversations लोगों के साथ, इतनी सारी meetings की हम लोग ने. How is that even possible? And truly हम चारों तो connect हुए ही है, but we could connect with other people around the globe, which is a very great thing. And we have long-term friends now. Of friends like they are so happy कि हम उनको बर्थडे विश भी करते हैं, वो उतने खुश हो जाते हैं.
It's like pandemic it was possible कि हम लोग midnight में 3 बजे भी अगर हमें बोला कॉल करने को, we were able to do. Like it's morning 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever it is, we are like it's fine with us. So that was one benefit. Yeah, nothing to do else, we can stay awake at night. That was
हम
benefit.
वैसे भी जागे रहते थे, हम सोते नहीं.
अपने time zone से सीखे.
तुम दोनों जागते तो excuse me.
Time zones, I swear, we actually learned so many time zones and it was so difficult to actually match each and every time zone, because if you want a joint meeting with multiple districts and if it's twin, it's a task to actually match them.
Yeah. Heath?
Okay, so it was my first year in district council, and international services was the first preference that I wanted to be a part of. And after getting elected and coming into the team and realizing that I am in the team with my joint directors that I don't know, I wasn't very sure कि इनको जानता नहीं हो, तो I don't know how will my experience end.
और
The thing
सारी
was that
लड़कियां थी.
हाँ,
I
yes,
felt
exactly.
ऐसा ही बोलेगा कि 3 लड़कियां हैं.
Yeah, I was just reaching over there. So it was like I was like pretty not sure कि क्या होगा, कि मेरे को और नाविद को छोड़ के इंटरनेशनल सर्विसेज के लिए we are like 4 girls, all of them are secretaries. So one thing was for sure, ख्याति was like उसने वो एक निश्चय ले लिया था पहले से कि अब इसको तो मैं रिपोर्टिंग सिखा के रहूंगी. वो उसने दृढ़ संकल्प लिया था, जो पूरा हुआ नहीं हुआ वो बात की बात है. But then initially I feel the environment, not just in international services, but even all throughout the Rotrack, the district council was made so comfortable and so nice and enjoyable that we मतलब ऐसा कभी लगा ही नहीं कि we were taking some kind of pressure on work या फिर कोई बहुत serious environment है. It was always work hard and play harder. And then talking precisely about international services, this is just the best team I could ever ask for it, the team international services, particularly 21-22. या ट्रूली या बेस्ट आई रियली थिंक कि अगर हम चारों में से अगर कोई भी और होता टीम में हम चारों के बदले, सो दिस वुडंट हैव बीन द वे इट इज राइट नाउ. सो इट इज लाइक जस्ट कंप्लीटली irreplaceable for me. It's just the best. Just that's all I have to say.
Really great to see such amazing bond you all have between amongst you all. So moving on to the next questions. So projects such as Jashne 3141, IDYs, which we are very well known for, they couldn't happen this year. But then you all managed to, convert things into online and do certain things. So could you all please elaborate upon them?
This year, nahi ho paya ye, but we did continue our legacy projects like Wanderers Guide, Yellow Pages, एंड उसके साथ नए प्रोजेक्ट्स भी किए जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट अग्रीमेंट्स है, फिर प्रोजेक्ट जैम्बोरी है, फिर क्लब्स, नॉट ओनली अस बट क्लब्स आल्सो डिड मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स दिस ईयर, बिकॉज आई गेस इंटरनेशनल सर्विस बहुत मतलब दूसरे एवेन्यूज कोई लिए आई डोंट थिंक बून हुआ है या नहीं, बट बीइंग ऑनलाइन वाज रियली अ बून फॉर अस. इतने मतलब अगर ये साल नहीं होता तो वी कुडंट हैव मेट सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. लाइक कितने सारे लोग हैं बाहर जिनसे हम आज अभी भी बात करते हैं. हंगरी में एक डीआरआर है, शी टॉक्स डेली विद मी कि आई एम लुकिंग एट मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम यू ऑल, आई विल पार्टिसिपेट इन इट. एंड हीथ के भी बहुत सारे फैन फॉलोइंग है दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में.
Heath literally has a lot of fan followers. For us, okay, we could do special initiatives for club directors as well. Like we had the concept of IS passport. We did open mic
IS
kind of a thing
Expo.
for IS directors. We did IS Expo where we explained them youth exchange programs and everything. So that was one benefit for us. And agreements really turned out to be very good. I don't think without that thing we could have started our year with something good. Like that was one good element for us in the initial stage because we were not yet sure what to do next and everything.
So moving on to the next question, which is regarding Jamboree. It is one of the most talked projects and we had a lot of other districts coming in from all over the world. How was it planning it since so many months and finally doing it? It was a 24-hour long event, live event. How was it for you all?
Okay. So Jamboree was like over ambitious project. मतलब नहीं कर सकते हम. It was just 80% of Ojas being positive and me being completely positive optimistic about it. करेंगे ही हम, कुछ भी हो जाए. ख्याति को मनाया, पूरा प्लान रेडी किया. We made the whole agenda जो लास्ट मोमेंट तक फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ था ऑफ कोर्स. एंड फिर हमने नाविद को मनाया. नाविद को मनाने के बाद वी गॉट अनोखी एंड हीथ ऑन द टीम. उनको भी नहीं बताया था हमने कि वी आर प्लानिंग समथिंग दिस ओवर एम्बिशियस because we wanted at least few people to be more optimistic about it and then give push to each other about it. And then we started the crazy search of planning and planning and planning and planning. हमारी Google sheet भर गई थी उससे. And कितने ग्रुप्स बनाए, oh God, कितने ग्रुप्स बनाए, कितने कम्युनिकेशंस किए, कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स की लिस्ट बनाई है हमने. It was just non-stop. I guess वो 5 महीना non-stop हमने जाम्बोरी पे काम किया along with other things. And it was just very crazy. जब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ था, I don't think like there was this moment when the event was going on and I guess me, Ojas and Khyati, we were there and we realized it's happening. It's about to end. Can you believe that? Literally. Okay, I'll just cry now. But yeah, something very over ambitious. We got our contacts. We I personally spoke to district governors apart from our district governor, and they are so sweet. Oh God, they are so down to earth, and it's like an honor, you know. हमारे district governor से बात करने में हमें एक honor feel होता है. Imagine speaking to those district governors. That's one thing, and so many other things. That crazy Hubilo platform. Oh, I like मैंने वो touch भी नहीं किया था. It was completely Khyati and the whole ISEC team. was like मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लेती हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लेती हूँ, मैं DG संभाल लेती हूँ, मैं ये वो कर लेती हूँ. I was ghosted तभी भी, but Jamboree was like a baby project, and I don't know, it just happened. Somehow it just happened, it ended. And I want to mention to all the boys, you all should thank us. We got such beautiful ladies for you on camera for the whole district. Okay.
That case, there were people other than the organizing team who were live for 24 hours straight with us. They didn't even log out once. And when I can assure you that, because when we were actually looking at backend database and everything, we saw so many people who didn't even leave the platform for even a second. That was one thing that was keeping us motivated, and we were actually again and again seeing that these are the people who are there, and it's supported. Your love is being supported by everyone, and it's crazy.
So what were the challenges that you faced on day with regards to Project Jamboree, and any stories that you want to share?
There are a lot of stories actually. The challenges that I'll say is starting May, when we started planning for Jamboree, we were not getting any response from international districts, because that was our main task. We needed more of international districts, since we were already doing so many sister club agreements and we were lacking with twin relations. So that was our main motive, to build twin relations. And on day challenge was, so every district was given half an hour slot. So we had to coordinate with them at midnight. We had to, since our time zones were different, they had offices, they had their work time, and a lot of things clashing. They were There was some time they were not responding, and we were panicking. Oh shit, they're not responding. Oh shit, they're not responding. What are we going to do? So it was that one panic thing challenge. I think that was the main difficult part for Jamboree. And on screen you were 24 hours live, so you need to maintain the background also, that there is no disturbance, you are good on camera. So that was one.
I guess other challenge was how to, you know, fill those areas where we don't have districts, because we can't go continuously for 24 hours, right? So we had many plans, we had so many things planned for it, but we chopped it down कि हाँ ये नहीं realistic हो सकता. One of the most hurtful chop out was a panel with all the RI presidents. हमने बहुत मेहनत की थी उसमें. We were planning to do, जैसे डीजे का हमने पैनल किया था, पैनल डिस्कशन हम एक्चुअली रोटरी इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट्स के साथ करना चाहते थे. That was our aim. But then we realized that if there's one RI president in a certain event, the other RI president can't be there. And we didn't have so much of time. So we didn't even had so much of time left. It was difficult to reach to them as well. So we shifted to DG. But I guess I'm pretty satisfied with DG panel also, because I got the chance to talk to all of them. So yeah, and that's it. I don't think challenges we face कि लोग रिवर्ट नहीं करते थे. हम 4 महीने में एक भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं ला पाए, हमने 1 महीने में 20 डिस्ट्रिक्ट ले आए, which was a very good thing. So I guess I don't think we face challenges.
That was pressure working for us.
It was fun though.
Great, it worked out so well. Happy to see that you got a great audience and it turned out so well.
So one thing that I'll add is the secretariat team also. They were the sole supporters for us, because along with us, it was their hard work was equivalent to us.
Yes.
If they wouldn't have been there, we wouldn't have been able to pull it off so nicely. Conference and Jamboree merging together was one good thing for us, I think.
Project Jamboree, which you all spoke about so much right now, and so many mixed emotions have went into it. So this is one of the major things which we have done this year. But next year, something actually lies ahead of it, right? So what is something next which you all would like to see in the Team International Service Avenue?
Firstly, I feel that this year, 2021, being a completely digital year, so particularly for Team International Service, we have seen something that probably no one else in District 3141 or anyone in Rohtak for the past few years might have ever seen, like completely going digital, like to make sure that जो कुछ भी हो रहा है online हो रहा है, Zoom meet पे हो रहा है, not on any kind of physical on ground venue. So firstly, that thing was very challenging, but we all were pretty clueless for since the beginning of the year कि online events कैसे होंगे, लोग आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, but eventually our only focus was to make sure that we engage people, we get along with people, international service का वो नाम ऊंचा रहे, and to at the end to have fun, and eventually with just total honesty and sheer conviction, I think things went on and on and all. We started with Yellow Pages, we started with Wanderer's Guide, फिर Jamboree भी हो गया. So it's like we didn't expect any of this. We never expected that things will be so outstanding. It will be so memorable for us. So I feel this year हम लोग ने जो देखा है इसके बाद ऐसा लगता है कि अब आने वाली किसी भी टीम को मतलब इतना बड़ा ऐसा एक माइलस्टोन, इतना बड़ा एक सेटबैक नहीं मिलेगा. They will be having someone to look upon to के अरे हाँ इन लोग ने ये साल में ऐसा किया था. They were the ones who got hit first with this thing. And so now we should be doing this and we should not be doing this. So firstly, अगर ऐसा कुछ online वापस जाना है, and this is something that happens again, so they won't be facing that kind of many of challenges, and they would be able to focus more on much more preventive measures. So that would be a very great thing. And I think that the coming team is really a great one, and we feel very proud whenever we look upon them. So we expect the best. We expect nothing but the best, and all the best to all of them and to the team 21-22.
That's really great. Hope that this pride keeps on continuing ahead in the future.
With the last session of this video, we are going to play the game Never Have I Ever. We will be giving you situations regarding Rotrack only, and you will have to show your placard saying if you have done it or not done it.
So the first question for y'all is, never have I ever been questioned that when is IDYE going to take place this year?
How much frustrated have you been with this question? Because the answer
a lot, I tell you.
I feel it was
it
not like
hurts. You know,
it was not like
literally
frustration.
hurts.
Yes, and we could understand the pain कि यार हम लोग भी we were also expecting कि यार कहाँ काश कोई एक chance मिल जाए कि IDYE हो जाए, हम जाते दे सके, we could send off people going आओ जो मजा कर जो and something. So this was like we knew how awesome IDYE and all the outbound trips are, and we knew that it won't happen, but all we could say is कि let's see what happens.
Next question is, never have I ever flirted with any other district mate in the name of sending them invites or for any project related work. या किसी से reply आया है तुमको ऐसा flirty messages?
Of course. Khyati, the most.
So moving on to the next question. Never have I ever faked a smile in a meeting with other districts.
Is there a smile?
Obviously, yaar.
I think
This
happened most of the times when we have to take that one screenshot जहाँ पे ऐसा proof दिखाना पड़ता है कि सब आए थे करके, and like 5 and 6 people are clicking screenshots and किसी का नहीं आ रहा है. So like कोई ना कोई एक बंदा बंदी तो होता ही था, would always say कि अरे जल्दी लो फोटो, दांत दर्द कर रहा है and all. There always used to be that one person, I remember. हर मीटिंग पे एक ना एक बंदा तो ऐसा मिलेगा ही पक्का.
Moving on to the next question. Never have I ever tried learning another languages to greet someone.
Actually, जो जैम्बोरी पे ना मैंने एक नया वर्ड सीखा था, बुज द बैग. उसका मतलब मुझे याद नहीं है.
It was
अच्छा word है ना?
गाली थी. वो गाली थी. It was a bad word.
Oh.
So
And in our meetings, whatever meetings we did, he made sure कि जब भी vote of thanks देना है वो उन लोग की language में देगा.
हाँ.
And I was like, कैसे बोल रहा है तू? No.
So the last question is, never have I ever argued with someone from the other district.
I've argued with a lot of people in the district. Outside, yeah.
I know Kathy's. Oh, I have. Even the same person, I guess. जिसने मेरे से Kathy से और अनोखी से argument की थी.
So with this, we come to the end of the session. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for contributing so much to the district. Hope you all enjoyed, and hope the viewers also enjoyed it. Until next time, see you all. Bye.
Bye.